Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can use Whiteboard for your presentations and video calls on Google Meet really quickly. For example, to share your presentation with your meeting or video call participants. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you will need to do first, guys, is to install the Whiteboard add-on to your library here on Google Meet. To do that, simply click on that icon in the bottom right corner of your current call, Meeting Tools. And after that, you will see that panel here on the right hand side with all installed and featured add-ons. And as you can see, I downloaded and installed this Whiteboard add-on here, Collaborative Whiteboard, through the Google Marketplace. You can add any other Whiteboard add-on featured here in the Google Marketplace. Simply click on that plus icon here and browse through the Marketplace on Google to find the Whiteboard add-on you would like to use. So let me go with that one for demonstration purposes. Click on it. Also, guys, if you want your meeting or video call participants to follow along your Whiteboard presentation, make sure that they installed the given Whiteboard add-on in their Google Meet. And that's basically it. Now you will see that panel here on the left side. So here you can start creating your Whiteboard presentation. For example, draw by hand using that tool here, for example, or add various figures, forms and shapes like that, for example, add text and so on and so forth. So video call participants may follow along your Whiteboard presentation. Now, if you'd like to end the presentation, simply click on End Activity here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.